Hello everyone, Net for Sale here. Alright, I have one of the cream need to be reviewed here. It's gonna be a Pearl Man shaving cream. I think they just introduced lately and just seal pack. I never used it. It's 100 ml. And all the ingredients over here are manufactured by Madhav Metal Industries, and it's manufacturing license made in India. I think it's an ingredients here. It's a mustaric acid, stearic acid, lauric acid, cocoa fatty acid, propylene glycol, etc., etc., fragrance, sodium hydroxide, whatever basically needed in the shaving cream or soap. It's over here. It's a House of Pearl, manufactured by brand Pearl Sale. Can you see the logo? It's a seal pack. I never use it. Let me open it up and see. Here's its manufacturing date and all. Best before 24 months. 2 years or whatever, 24 months after first use. Plastic container, here's the cap, and here the squirt, push and squirt on your palm or brush or whatever. So you shake it a little bit. Okay, with that I have a brush, synthetic again, because I'm going to pour on the brush and then make the lather on my face. And here the brush, 24 mm, using Flexi, Pearl Flexi, also manufactured by Pearl, House of Pearl and Madhav Metal Industries. Very nice, hefty, adjustable. Pearl Flexi, very well known by wet shaving community. I have on number 3, today's growth on my face, and I have my hair cut down. Blade alignments and everything looks good. Here's the logo on the bottom emblazoned, and here's some engraved serial number and all. I think I have got from first batch earlier. So let me wet my face. I'll also see you my post sale later on. I'm gonna wet the brush and then taking the excess water out. I don't know about the smell and all, but sticky. You can just squirt a few pumps. Let's see how it goes. Nice, creamy. Nice, and it's not that very strong smell of it. It's kind of mild side a little bit. I smell like a lemony type of smell. Fresh smell. Nice creamy shaving cream. I think I have enough for first pass. I got more than enough shaving cream. I could use a little bit less, but okay. My sideways a little bit. Look enough. It's like very slick. I will get my alum. I can feel on my finger. It's very slick shaving cream. And I'll provide the link below for Amazon or directly from Paul you can buy. I have a blade loaded with Gillette sharp edge. Not 30s with the grain. Nice. Awesome. I can feel a little bit residual slickness and everything. So far so good. It just says shaving cream, not like any fragrance or anything indicated like lime or sea breeze or whatever. There is mild type of smell, lemony, fresh lemony. Summer type of smell to my nose. Alrighty, first pass, got it done. On the website, I didn't see any fragrance indication or anything, but it might be later on or anything like that. So weekend is nearby. Hope you enjoy your weekend. If you have a nice weather or we do something outside activity over here in Midwest, North America. Here we have second pass across the grain. Just keep it on number 3. Yeah, very good visible thickness. If you don't like to load the brush from container or anything, and this is good travel size pack, easily fit in your dog kit. Most of the stubble gone. We do the real quick third pass. Pearl, House of Pearl manufacturing or producing very good quality saving stuff, I can say. I am very satisfied with their products. And they kindly send me for review. Let me roll it down from 3 to 1.5 or something right here. You just can dial it, during your sale. Here we go against screen. I'm going across instead of against on the cheek area. Yes, you can do like that too. No trouble, no bubble. So good. Fantastic saver. Pearl Flex Seal. This is good razor. I have a stand also with that. So let me wash my face and let's just go from there. I feel like there is a post sale feel also, which is good part. after good wash I can feel there's some post-sale feel by the shaving cream. Very nice. Awesome sale done. Okay, alrighty, let me use my Terry Chisel a little bit and then go for after sale splash. Closing the pore, good for our skin. A little bit on the forehead. And use on your, very nice, cool. Nice shaving cream. I still have some. I can smell a little bit close to the Sun Blazer. The pearls, you know, shaving soap. Already. Here we go. We use Pearl Man Shaving Cream, 100 ml. Squid on the pump or on the ball and make the leather and use however you want to. You can use your palm and make the leather. Okay. Still have some wetness on my. Use the brush. Use Yachi synthetic knot, flaxy shaving razor and all. Let me dry it out with the towel. I can try and use after shave balm or splash. Okay. Sterling Island Man with the menthol. I have a very nice color, blue, oceanic color. It's tropical, but I really like it. So a little bit on the palm and then obviously little burn, not much. I can handle it, but I cannot go on forehead because it's alcohol. It goes in the eyes. I'll be using. Very nice. Feel good on menthol. Cools off a little bit, burning and sensation or anything if you have. Very nice BBS. Clean. Hope you enjoyed the shaving. Here we go again. I may put the link in the description. And here we are. You can close it, cap on it, and then that's for my after shave Sterling Island Man. Yeah, you can just close the cap and that's it. No waste, nothing. But yeah, I mean, whatever you have left on brush, that's all. Okay, hope you enjoy the shave. Have a nice weekend. See you again. Bye bye.